Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by measuring where the delay comes from and collecting version details so you know what to change first. Run a quick latency baseline with a simple touch test while you disable background apps and power saving. Once done, check firmware and driver updates and log the exact MS numbers. Make sure to enable developer stats only when measuring, otherwise leave it off. This prepares the device so every subsequent change shows a real improvement and not random noise. You now change the core settings that directly affect input latency. First, adjust the touchscreen poll/report rate or polling driver so the hardware reports more frequently. That reduces sensor lag. Next, recalibrate touch and temporarily disable palm rejection heuristics that add processing time, and lower gesture smoothing to remove added interpolation. Finally, set a consistent UI frame rate target and match GPU scaling. This keeps frames aligned with touch reports. You finish by fixing app-level sources of delay and preparing a fallback plan. Profile the app while reproducing the delay. Ensure touch events are handled off the main thread and avoid heavy work during the touch lifecycle. Switch to direct input APIs and reduce event batching so gestures reach rendering faster, and optimize rendering pipelines to present frames immediately. If things go wrong, roll back recent drivers, boot in safe mode to isolate system services, and gather logs so you can pinpoint residual latency.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.